Imagine a machine so massive it's of the size of a house, so powerful it can crush a tank, and so fast it spits out a brand new Tesla every 5 seconds. This isn't sci-fi, it's real. Elon Musk just unleashed the 50,000-ton gadget press, and it's about to change car manufacturing forever. How does it work? What's it building? And why is this machine so terrifyingly fast that humans can't even keep up? Let's dive deep into the future of factories. The birth of the Giga Press, Tesla's secret weapon. Back in 2020, Tesla had a problem. Building cars the old way, welding hundreds of parts together, was slow. Elon Musk wanted something revolutionary that could stamp an entire car frame in one go. No bolts, no welding, just one solid piece of aluminum. The Model Y's rear underbody went from 70 parts to just 1. Assembly time, cut in half. Weight to lighter with tough strength. The first GigaPress was 6,000 tons, already a game changer. Then came the 9-0-ton beast for the Cybertruck stainless steel exoskeleton. But Elon wasn't done. Now Tesla's building a 50-0-ton monster. To put that in perspective, that's like stacking 10 space shuttles on top of each other and squeezing them into a mold. This thing is so big, Tesla might need to pour concrete foundation deeper than a swimming pool just to support it. This machine doesn't just build one car at a time. It builds 5 simultaneously. Elon Musk says the production line will move so fast, humans can't even get close. This isn't a car factory anymore. It's a high-speed toy factory for real cars. Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now. Let's break down its process. Aluminum ingots are liquefied at 850 DEC, hotter than lava. The molten metal is shot into a mold at insane pressure in milliseconds. A high-tech chilling system hardens the metal fast, avoiding defects. The finished part is trimmed and a car frame is born in 5 seconds. And the best part? Every scrap of leftover metal gets recycled, zero waste. Tesla's fully autonomous robotaxi with no steering wheel also utilizing this platform. Thanks to gigacasting, it'll have 60% fewer parts than a Model Y. That means lighter, cheaper, and easier to mass produce. Elon says the Cybercab could roll off the line every 5 seconds. That's 7 million cars a year. No other automaker even comes close. Toyota, GM, and Hyundai are scrambling to copy Tesla's gigacasting. But here's the catch: they're years behind. Tesla doesn't just buy these machines, they upgrade them, including AI-powered cooling and self-lubricating molds. Even the soybean oil spray for mold release is optimized. Meanwhile, legacy automakers are stuck welding 100-plus parts together like it's the 1980s. This isn't just about cars. Tesla's rewriting the rules of manufacturing, including speed, cost, and scale. Elon's ultimate goal is a fully automated factory where robots build cars 24/7 with no humans on the floor. Is this the end of traditional factories? The 50,000-ton Giga Press isn't just a machine, it's a wake-up call. The auto industry is about to split into 2 camps, those who adapt and those who get crushed. So what do you think? Is gigacasting the future or just hype? Drop a comment, and if you're blown away by this tech, smash that like button, subscribe and hit the bell, because the manufacturing revolution is just getting started. Thanks for watching.